all the CLIPs. Go to the URL and type in SourceForge. You download the CLIPs. I have already exist the CLIPs, that one. After downloaded, just you click on it and give the permission and follow the step next, agree, next, and so on. So then after open this, if you want to calculate the 2 digit of number, then what you do, first of all write the bracket, and then 2, then 2, the output will be 4. That means there are 2 digit, here are the 2 digit which is adding each other, the output will be 4, and so on. If you want to multiply the 2 digit, then you nothing to do, only write the multiply symbol and 2 digit which you want to write, and hit the enter. Then 6, 4, 24. So this is the okay. Also, if you want to know how to define a variable, then what you do, then you must be define the variable, okay, as you like. What you want to define, just like a x and y, and suppose I define a variable x and assign to 9, okay. X is my defined variable, and if I want to use that x variable in my another program, then how can I use it? If I want to do the multiplication with my defined variable, so first of all multiplication symbol, then x, then any digit which you want to multiply. Here the x is your defined variable, and 8 is your multiplied number. That means here 2 number are exist. X means 9, and second one is 8. That means 8 or 9. So the output will be 72, right? So on, if you want to define a function, so write down defun, and you want to add something, so you write the add and define the variable p and q. And what you do with this function, suppose that I want to multiply between p and q numbers, So I need to define here add will be declared. So if you want to call add, go through these steps, add, and there are the two. Here is the thing which is one is need to know. There are the two variables p and q, okay, and these two variables are multiplied to each other, okay. In my function add, these two variables are multiplied to each other. The next step you want to call, when you call the add function, then you it must to be define the numbers for that particular variables. Suppose that I initialize 9 for p and 6 for q, then what will be the answer? 54, right? So this is the way, very easy way to define you and write a program in the linear list processing, that means Lisp. So please subscribe my channel and like this video.